Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a MetaMask account. First, ensure you are using a compatible web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge. Next, navigate to the official MetaMask website or your browser's extension store. This initial step is crucial for security, ensuring you download the legitimate application and avoid fraudulent versions. Always double-check the URL. Once you have found the official extension, click Add to Browser and confirm the installation. After it's installed, a new tab will open. Click Get Started, then choose Create a Wallet. You will then be prompted to agree to the terms and create a robust password which will protect your wallet on that specific device. The most critical step is securing your secret recovery phrase. This is a 12-word sequence that acts as your master key. Write it down physically, perhaps on 2 separate pieces of paper, and store them in different, extremely safe locations. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your digital assets. With your wallet created and secured, you can now fund it. Copy your public wallet address and send Ether or other ERC20 tokens to it from an exchange or another wallet. You are now ready to connect to thousands of decentralized applications, participate in Web3, and manage your digital assets with confidence. Remember to always verify transaction details before confirming any action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.